Welcome back, guys, to another unboxing video. So most of you seen the other video of the Tony Stark glasses with the Gunnar case to Stark Industries. Really great glasses. I have them right here. Once again, small review, but wanted to say that they're really comfortable. I love how they sit easily. Like right here, like it's aluminum. Kind of worried that they might stretch a little too much, but they sit so well. Overall, great design frame. It looks like they would take a beating. Love that we can customize this if we have to adjust it, but it seems pretty good. And I really like, I guess, the small things of this right here. Really durable to my extent. But the best of all is that they're light, and I don't think like the lightness will like, you know, usually glasses are heavy and that's a big problem. But real quick, I just small review on the Gunnars right there. So but I also want to do unboxing of the Gunnar case itself, so let's go ahead and do that. Let me see where, oh, there it is. Yeah, but overall, man, this thing is tight. All right, so here we go. So of course, Gunnar includes a carrying case in case you want to just advertise your Stark Industries wear on your desk. But this is a standard carrying case. Really love it, and basically it's extendable and all that. So I would use it just to put it here. You want to put your cloth in just to protect the case. But overall, I love the design of it. Even if, I mean, your glasses may feel like it's going everywhere, but I really like the fact that it's soft from the inside. So yeah, just wanted to give a small update and a review about the Stark Industry glasses, along with the carrying case over here, which is really important because you want to protect your glasses and not break them in the process. And pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Like I said, separate video. I just wanted to make it for the carrying case for that one, and that way you can carry this with you at all times, put it in your car. Technically you have two cases. You have your other case from your Stark Industry glasses, and then you have your carrying case, which I would, in case you're going to travel or anything, this would be a great thing to put it on. As you can see right now, I'm just moving it everywhere, and they sit pretty good. And the soft right here, I don't know what kind of material it is, but it's super soft. It will literally protect it, and I feel confident enough that this will protect itself. Love the fact that these extend. And other than that, that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Like I said, this is all from Gunnar. Proud customer since 2016, 17, actually yeah, 2017. Overall satisfied with their service and the longevity of these Gunnar products. And I'm not just saying that because, like I said, I had Enigma glasses since 2017, and they recently cracked from the little edge. That's because it's plastic, and I did drop it, so it was kind of my fault. And I noticed that the crease started cracking, but I'm gonna get other frames for it. I will do another video about the Enigma, and I will catch you guys later, and I'll keep you surprised. All right, so Tony Stark out. I am Iron Man.